Rabbi even asked we should talk a little bit chizik on the Indian of to be a mashpia. The Chazal says, "Oy lemi shebunav nekayvus." You heard from this Chazal? It's a pity for a person that is shebunav nekayvus. Marash says, "What's shebunav nekayvus?" Yelud of nekayvus, no? Not oile mi shebun of nekayvus. The Buddha says the world has to be boys and girls. It's a pity for a person, but it's his bunav are nekayvus. Bunav is sons. The sons are girls. What's the meaning from this? Not to say for a person that if you have girls it's a problem. It's a pity for a person that the boys are girls. What's the meaning? That Hashem created the God created the world. Wie sagt man Chasana? How was the Schleimes für Leben zusammen? There's a husband, no wife. The husband has to be a mashpia. And the wife, she takes. We're making every day a brucha. Burichat Hashem Elikani Melech Olam. Thank you Hashem. I'm so thankful that I'm not a woman. I'm not a woman. Why? What's so bad with a woman? Until like it. Big mouth. Better geboren. Huh? Who gave birth to you? What's thank you Hashem, I'm not a woman. But without woman, there's no world. Marsh says, what's the mala from a husband or from a woman? From a wife, because a man, a husband, he has to be a mashpia. Mashpia is a big mala. And the wife, she's the makabel. She needs the good words from the husband. She needs the good the advices and the support and the encouragement, everything. So this we ins dankbar. We are thanking Hashem. Thank you Hashem. I'm not a makabel. I'm not a beggar. I'm a giver. It's a moirdige mala. So the Chazal says it's a pity for a person, but the sons are girls. Shebunav are nekayvus. They're not givers, not mashpiyan. A person has to have a strong emena in Hashem that Hashem is with me. If a person has emena, if a person lives with Hashem, he don't need another person. I'm here to give, to bring in other people goods. I don't need covet from you, and I don't need your good words, and I don't need your. Hashem is here. Hashem is with me. Hashem gives me what I need, and what I didn't deserve. What I don't deserve, I can't take. Nobody could give me. Then he's a mashpia. And this is the sheinkeit from the mensch. This is a very, very nice. A lot of times you see in the family there's people, everybody want to talk to them, everybody want to be a part with him. And there is schleppers, every besmeidrish there's coming in a shul. There is people. There are people. Everybody want to be a friend with these people. Why? There are givers. A mens is a geber, het moeilijk. Person is a giver, het moeilijk gaan. Mens is een nemer. Keiner hat es sich lieb, no? No one likes them. The Rebbe says we are praying every day. What's the great? What's v'nafshi ku'ufar lakoel tiyah? I want to be like the earth. Earth. I want to be like the earth. What's the mila? What's the mila from the earth? What's the good thing from the earth? The earth is a mashpia. Everybody steps on him, spits on him, and throwing garbage on him. And I'm sliming, no? Slime. I have slime on the earth. And if I need a bathroom, I go on the side on the earth. Everybody fiet sich auf der mordige Silsels der Erd. Bis man salzeln der Erd. We're not treating the Erd with the covered. And what the Erd do for us? Gives out fruits and alles, no? All the food. Everything can come from the Erd. Erd is a mashpia. I want to be like the Erd. The Erd, man kommt nicht gut nicht. What? The Erd doesn't get anything from people. It is giving. Alles comes from the Erd. Every gold, silver, kipper, hulls, trees, even the animals, the behemoths, we eat the flesh, the meat. From where they eat grass all day, and everything, the milk, everything comes from the earth. And we are stepping in the earth. We are with disrespect with the earth. No, not good things. I want to give. I want to be a giver. How you get to live that kind of life, to be a giver and not be so sensitive. You look at me, you not look at me. You greet me, no, so I'm not greeting you. You give me an aliyah, I'm not coming in this shul. You don't. How a person is a little bit smarter from these old people. You give me a brucha b'da chuppah, you give me a kibbutz. How a person will get to live this sort of life, this kind of life, to be a giver. If mit a everything comes back to a minna. Because a person lives with a minna, so Hashem is here. What has to come to me, Hashem going to give me. And what not, this is a very, very nice song. You know the song? You know the words? It's a very, very nice song. Even if I'm gonna try all the ites and all the tricks to get something. All people from the whole world, 7 billion people gonna help me. Gonna stay with me to help me. Without you, nothing. This is a mensch lebt mit der Minna. If a person lives in the Minna, so why I need to get from you a Git Morgen? Why I need from you a Leah? Why I need from you a Kovet? I have here Hashem. I'm like you are in the White House. You're talking lahavdil. You're talking with the president, and then. So they don't told me I have a nice sweater. There's a Shem here, you know. That's the best von dem. The Eibishter do. Was kann dich ein Mensch geben? What can a person gives you? Understand? The same thing is Shalom Bayis. Hashem is here. What you need? Ask Hashem. What you need? You need money. What you need? You need covered. Ask Hashem. Marash says we hear the Bnus Einikel saying Tillam, and he asks Hashem, please give me a good word. I want to hear from you that you liked me, that you like me, that you love me. Please, Hashem, help. Amoyle nafshi yeshiu sechuni. There's a capital Tehillim. So he said Tehillim and he talks every pusik he talks in Yiddish. Amoyle nafshi yeshiu sechuni. Hashem, I wanna feel that you are with me, you love me, you like me, and Zug mich hast mich lieb. Tell me that you love me. So I'm not a makabel from people because I have a minna. Ich lebe mit Neibischen. Same thing, you're going off food. I told you because there's a lot of schnorrers. They're going around collecting money, but they don't lose themselves. They verlieren sich nicht. So seht? Verliert sich nicht. There are misheluchem. They get lost for $1. It's so disgusting. The person takes out the money and he turns around. You're gonna get another $1, another $5, another $10, and even $100. You do a stadless. You daven to Hashem. So what now? Ich gehe mal finden. Ja, aber ich will auch sagen. So. Was ich meine? Dass du Geldgeiers. Darfst du nicht stadless. The telling on the Baal Shem Tov, Shem HaKodesh has to go collect money for wives and kids. So he goes to a door, he knocks on the door, he went away. So this Talmud run after the Rebbe. Rebbe, what? You knock on my door? Yes. What? I'm collecting money. So why you go away? This is my shtadlus. I believe that I have to do shtadlus. Something. You have to do something. A person can't sit at home and I believe in God that money gonna come. So you have to do something. You have to make a kaila. But I have to stay a whole day in running after you, in flatter you, in this is it's very, very disgusting, eklig. Understand? Even when you go around the futza, I'm a mashpia. I'm here to give you life, to give you ideas, to give you advice how to live with the wife, to give you advice for a woman how to live with the husband. Man, of course you have something for tzedukah, but not it's I'm running after you. I'm here to give you. A person has to be a giver. A mens is not a gever, verstehst? This is the male from the Leben, this is the male from a minna. This is a minna. A minna brings in a person such a confidence that I'm good, and I'm doing good, and I'm good, and now I'm doing good. More like, you do gematria sofik. To bring in sveikas. I'm good, Hashem is with me, maybe I have to do this, maybe I have to do here, maybe I'm not good, and why you don't talk to me, why you don't tell me some good words. I'm giving you good words. I'm strong, understand? It's a shoot. It's a shoot. It's a pity. But they don't build up in yeshivas, the schools. When a person don't have confidence, the ganze Leben is a bechurif. Let's say a bocher don't have confidence, so he finds a shidduch. Now he comes home. He waits. The wife should build him up. It's not good. She waits. You should give good words. It's two beggars comes find zwei Menschen warten. You have to be the giver. Ich muss dir helfen. I gave it. Understand a little bit. Of course, you have to daven on this, and I want to have a min. A min is the ikir. A min is the whole Rebbe, the whole itis, his body is all to bring us to a minna, to bring us to that we should have a clear, strong faith. Clear. In a minute, it's so amazing. A minna is not. I mean, it's so amazing that every day, let's say I'm thinking I have him and I'm talking to Hashem. The next day, wow, I'm stronger. So wie Nächte begonnen is geweest. Yesterday, I think that I have a minute. It's like you're walking around, that Marash says in the Kintraisam, in Oitzah Minna. A minute is like a palace, and you're walking in other room, in another room, like you have a tour in the White House. Wow. Now, wow, it doesn't stop. It's endless. I mean, ich heißt von einem Stieb zum zweiten Stieb, es wird stärker, es ist eine interessante Sache, der Minna. It's not, you have a minna, you don't have a minna. Es ist jeden Tag stärker, even in the same day, every minute. Wow, there's a God. There's a God in the world. I have to help. We should bring it out in the wife and the kids. And we're gonna. I have a mercy. I have a charachmunas of trickende mensen. They're trickende mensen. They're not trickende mensen. I feel bad for a cold person. They come home, say a good word. Why are you so tricken? Why you say tricken? Tricken. Dry. Say a word. What? Cold-blooded. Say, how are you? What's doing? So he's a, how you say it? No, it's a, they don't have shalom bayis. How the kid could have shalom bayis? Or you have kids. Say for your kids, wow, you're good. Was niet like they mentioned. What are they doing? Huh? Give it. Okay, I'm going down with them.